Hey everyone, it's Daniela Pozzolongo here. Hope you're having a really great day. I wanted to do a really quick, short, sharp video for you on ManyChat and how you can utilize ManyChat to grow and convert customers. So first of all, there's basically four steps. One is you need to integrate ManyChat to your Facebook page. This won't work if you're using your personal Facebook page for business purposes. You need to be using a page. So integrate ManyChat together. Once you've done that, you're sort of building your list in the background. When someone messages you on your Facebook page, they're automatically being added into that list. So that's the first step, integrating and sort of building that list. That can happen in the background. So if the only thing you take away from this video today is that you go integrate it, that's okay, because your list will start growing in the background. So once you've done that, the next step is obviously to grow your list. So ManyChat has a number of growth tools. You can use Facebook ads to help grow your list, or you can do things like putting a pop-up on your website that gets people to message you on your website and it connects straight through to your messenger. So that's the second step. Third step is engaging your list. So you can send broadcast messages to people. You can put them in sequences. So sort of like an email sequence where they get a set series of Facebook messages over a period of time that you specify. And then the fourth thing is converting your list. So you can still send promotional messages through ManyChat. There are regulations on it though. You can only do it to people that have been active with you and chatting with you in the last 24 hours. So you can sort of really run some really nice campaigns if you start engaging your audience first and then building them up to converting them with a promotional offer. So they're the four steps: integrate and build, grow, engage and convert. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.